Okay, so I have a few things going on today that I thought would be really fun to film a day in the life video. I'm going to take you along today as I do several different chores around my house. We've got to get ready for the day. We've got to go to a farm stand to pick up some fresh eggs. We've got to film a blog post and maybe start writing it. I've got to do some work, and I'm going to try to plant some indoor seeds for some of the seeds we bought for our garden, but we need to plant them indoors first. So we'll see if I can get all that done today, and I'm just going to take you along as I go. Behind the scenes that I'm gonna just pop in here because I've only got one camera, so in order to film it I've got to use my cell phone. But I'm actually filming a maternity wardrobe video with all of the maternity clothes that I've been wearing to talk about what clothes you can wear when you are newly pregnant or second and third trimester. And so I'm just setting this up here, and I've already shot the modeling piece of it where I kind of model the clothes, and I did that without any audio. Then I'm gonna speak into the camera here and describe all of the clothes, and then I'll put the audio with the B-roll. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Here we go. Hi everyone, Alexa here from the blog, theduvallhomestead.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about maternity clothing. Okay, so we're going to go to the local farm stand. Farm stand's kind of not the right word for it. It's more of a really small grocery store with all local produce, and we're going to just pick up some eggs. I like to get my eggs locally because we used to have chickens and we don't have any at the moment. And if you eat meat and chickens that are free ranging off of your own soil or the soil and the grass that's in your area, you're getting a lot of the beneficial properties of the microorganisms and bacteria that's in your area, as well as like allergens, things like that. So we try to always get honey locally and eggs locally. Especially me being pregnant, I eat between 2 and 4 eggs a day. So really important that we have good eggs. I really care about eggs. So we're gonna go to the farm stand, and I'll show you a clip when I get there. And I'm just gonna get eggs, and I'll probably get anything else that looks good too. Now this farm stand is usually blowing up in the summertime with fresh produce, but it's only April, so they don't have as much. So we'll see. Good seeds here. I'm so excited to get ours planted. It's always tempting for me to buy all the seeds, but we don't even have enough space for them. normally I get 3 dozen for the week for John and I, but I'm eating like so many eggs now. So I figure 4 would be good. I'll hard boil some of them, so it'll be good. So I'm gonna head back and we will try to plant some seeds if we have time. All right, so it is the end of the day now and did not get to the seed planting as early as I thought I was going to, but I'm going to get it laid out because I have everything I need to do it. I'm just gonna lay it out and then get to it tomorrow. In fact, I think I'll make a separate video on it because I have a lot to share about our experience with planting seeds in our little homestead backyard and what worked for us and kind of our tips. So I think I'll share that in a separate video, and for now I'll just log off. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're brand new to my page, make sure you subscribe on YouTube and like on Facebook. Every week I post new farm-to-table recipes and homemade natural living from our homestead in Duvall. Thank you so much for stopping by.